Today's word is sigh. It means to emit a long, deep, audible breath expressing sadness, relief, tiredness, or a similar feeling. Here are two examples using this word. She sighed with relief when she found her lost keys on the kitchen counter. He read the disappointing news and let out a deep sigh. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are breathe, exhale, moan. Antonyms are gasp, inhale, pant. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.